then you know you're right where you're supposed to be, because it's a little spring. Take that one there and that one there, and take both your fingers, and you just jimmy it. Well, I got the phone in the way, because when I did it the first time, it was pretty easy. Now it's going to call me a liar, because there we go. And voila. Pretty quick. Okay. There was a lot of questions about different things, so I'm going to answer them. Pretty easy. That's the radio, and that's the type of wiring harness that's in this truck. They're all pretty common for that type of radio. It's pretty much the same thing. So, I mean, and to look at it, it is pure garbage. It really is garbage. To think that's all it holds the damn radio in. And it's taken me all this time to get it out. It's taken me months. And I finally figured out to try something different. But there you go. Thanks for stopping by. I mean, some of the other videos kind of explained it, but not enough to where it made any sense because of the way it is. And if you look and see what I'm talking about, see how it is right there? That's that little nipple you're wanting to hit. And you can feel it, you go past that nipple. Once you go past it, then you can't do nothing because it's unscrewed up. But it's like a 16th, an eighth of an inch maybe sticking out. So, I mean, there you go. Thanks for stopping by. It's a good thing this ain't my truck.